When we gathered for breakfast, Jagannath, my brother, the medical doctor of the team, announced that he is going to descend today. He was breathing fast and his oxygen saturation through pulse oximeter was 87. The group had to rethink of our plan for the day. We decided to take a day at Dingboche and then reassess the situation later at night. We had breakfast with a view of Amadablam. After breakfast, the team was ready to hike Mount Nagarjun above Dingboche at an altitude of 5,100 meters. Jagannath started to feel better and he decided to join us too. The trek was not just an acclimatization exercise, but also a gateway to panoramic view of Himalayas. The trail was steep, weaving through rugged terrain with rocks and yak pastures. As we climbed up, the scenery transformed dramatically. Before long, the panoramic views welcomed us. Amadablam, Lhotse, Makalu was so close an island peak appeared in distance. Below, Imja Valley looked beautiful. We spent around 5 hours on the trail enjoying beautiful sceneries. And in the afternoon, everyone decided to do their own activities. 4 of us went to explore the village and to enjoy the local coffee shop. We went into Cafe Himalaya, a quiet spot offering freshly brewed coffee with homemade treats and free Wi-Fi. The hospitality of the owner was unforgettable. After coffee, Santosh and Jagannath went in search of Pasang Dawa Sherpa, a legend in the mountaineering history. He holds the record of 27 Mount Everest, 50 plus Amadablam, and unaccounted climbs of other peaks. He is a living strength and resilience spirit of Sherpa community. In the evening, enjoyed another round of coffee and freshly baked warm pastries at Himalayan Hub, a new coffee shop that our hotel owner will be inaugurating soon. Dingboche is not just a stop on the trail. It is a reminder of the beauty, resilience, and magic of the Himalayas. Stay tuned for day 7, where the trek continues to Dingboche, one step closer to Everest Base Camp. Yes, our team's still together and aiming for the win.